What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna unbox something that's gonna help us drift a lot better and hopefully help us progress a lot faster. I noticed that when I drift I run out of angle, and it's on stock angle right now, no spacer on the tie rod or anything like that. I was gonna go for a tie rod spacer. Oh, it's not like I'm making a video right now. So I was gonna go put a tie rod spacer, buy new tie rods and all of that, but then I just decided to, you know, just go ahead and splurge a little bit. So I got something that we're gonna unbox right now, and I think a lot of you guys already know what it is. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know because I post a lot of stuff beforehand of what I'm making videos on. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you want some sneak peeks on what videos there are to come, go ahead and follow me there. The links will be at the end of the video. And let's get on with this. So here it is, guys. This is the Holy Grail. Open it up. You ready? Alright guys, so here it is. This is the PBM Super Angle Kit, the lower parts only. This was $800. I think it came out to about $900 after shipping. Now I'm super excited for this because I've heard nothing but good reviews on this. I'm trying to film here.
I'm trying to do something.
I've heard nothing but good reviews on this, and for the price, I feel like it's not that bad of a deal. So first of all, let's look at this here. So this is gonna be the actual arm itself. This thing is solid. This is, look at this powder coating. Look at all these joints. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to install this and I'm excited to try this thing out. So inside the bag was this tie rod end, and I guess it's an adapter. Alright guys, so right now Christine, making big noise over here, was taking off all the front tires, and she put it up in the air, as you guys can see. So we're pretty much just gonna jump right into this. Alright guys, so I just took off the front bumper so that way I could give you guys a better view about what's going down under here. So we're gonna start by taking off this lower control arm right here. We have to unbolt the sway bar and the coilover and take it off the knuckle here, and then pull that out, and then we're gonna have to undo the tie rods over here as well. So let's go. Bar link off. So I got the tie rod off. Got the lower control arm off. Now I need to take off this arm right here. Okay, so in order to take this arm off here, you need to take this bolt off, which is a 19, and then these two are gonna be 14s, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the whole front end is pretty much taken apart. All I have left to do is take off this tie rod here so I can put in the offset spacer. Alright guys, so to get maximum angle, you're gonna need to grind down this edge of the knuckle in the back, so that way it doesn't hit the arms and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my grinder and grind down the edge here just to give it some extra clearance. So before I cut any more, I'm just gonna go ahead and test fit the actual arm onto the car. Guys, so if you see this part, this is the part of the knuckle that you have to shave down. The reason being is because when it's at full lock, it's gonna touch the arm, so you have to shave it down so you get maximum angle. So it doesn't have the tie rods in right now, but that is the angle so far. So that's more than enough. I think that I'm gonna need to shave down. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the tie rod section, and then this side should be complete. You take your long bolt, stick it in the outside hole, and then your cone on the inside. Then you just line it up. Then you just tighten this down. Alright guys, so if you can see the end of the rack here, if you pull off this little black alignment thing, on the actual rack spacer itself, there's these notches right here. So make sure you line it up, and those pins go inside the notches here. The arm is in. Now I haven't adjusted any of the, I guess, the camber or the caster yet. I'm gonna wait till that's on the ground to adjust it. It looks really good in here. I did scuff it up a little bit, but it's all right. Alright guys, so I got everything installed. Now before I put everything back together, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top of these studs off because they're too long. If you guys remember, I put this 5mm spacer on just to compensate for the extra thread that hits the actual back of the wheel. But once I cut the top of the studs off, I should be able to get rid of this 5mm spacer. Perfect, it sits flush now. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. One thing to keep in mind is that when you go ahead and purchase this angle kit, you're gonna need to purchase the S14 tie rods, the short version, because they're a little bit longer than the 350Z tie rods, and they're also a lot more bulkier. So that is a must when you go ahead and upgrade to this kit, because then you won't be able to align your car correctly. There will be too much, or the tie rods will be too short. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. The installation was not that hard, to tell you the truth. The hardest part is actually like aligning it yourself. So I kind of got the specs to how I want it. Go ahead and turn the wheel to the left. Look at that angle. Alright, turn it to the right. Get that angle. This does not come with the kit. The tie rods, the inner tie rods come separate, so you have to purchase that separately. So if you're gonna purchase the lower arms and the tie rods, they're gonna come out to about $1,000 total. So go ahead and purchase those two, unless you're gonna purchase like their whole kit, which is like $2,500. So in the front, I have the Par by Max angle kit, lower parts with the S14 tie rods, and then I have these bag over coilovers here, and then on the top I have the SPL front upper camber arms or control arms, whatever you guys want to call it. This gets you a lot of angle. We're gonna be testing out the car soon at Drift Central, so we're super excited about that. We also have a hydro install coming and a dual caliper install coming. But for now, I mean, the car is pretty much where I want it to be. There's a few minor things that I need to do more. But for now, it should be good to go. You can air it out now, babe.
Daddy?
Damn. That looks so good, you guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys are excited as we are to test this car out and see how it performs now. Hopefully our drifting gets just a little bit better. But yeah, like I said, we're excited. Thank you guys so much for your support, for watching. Give us a big thumbs up. It helps people find our videos. If you guys are new and haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscription button down on the bottom. Also, hit the notification button to be part of the notification gang. And we'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out, stay good.